How to change phone number in Viber. Open the Viber application. Tap on the more icon that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, tap on the option Settings. Tap on the option Account. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for Change Phone Number. Tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be able to change the phone number. Tap on the option Continue. If you have the new phone number and new device, tap on the option Continue that you can see on this section for new phone number and new device. If you only have new phone number, tap on this option for Continue that you can see at top. Once you do that, tap on the option Continue again. After that, you can see over here, you'll have to select the new country code and phone number over here. Tap on the field of country code. Once you do that, tap on the country code of your choice. Now enter the new phone number over here. Tap on the option Continue that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, 6-digit verification code will be sent to your new phone number. Enter that code in another interface. Once you do that, the phone number will be changed. Like this, you can change phone number on Viber. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.